35 years old, 5 feet 3 inches, 100 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, in connection with her abduction. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Franklin Police Department. Point of contact is 979-828-3444.